Hi, I'm Nqobile. I'm the Head of Marketing and Communications for Recreation and Parks at the City of Cape Town. I just attended the Unconscious Bias seminar and it was incredible. I think what resonated with me the most was that unconscious bias has such a huge impact, and it's not just enough to understand it or be aware of it, but it's really important to make sure that we make an effort to include people that we may be biased against. It's a very intentional activity, and it's nice to see how in terms of our professional environments, trends have moved from just discrimination talk or employment equity talk into real active, proactive behavioral changes. So thank you so much. I recommend it for everybody that has the opportunity to take advantage of such training.